Hi guys, I'm Farooq from IT Tech Guru. In this video, I will show you how to create the VPN server in Windows PC. Actually, it's very easy. To create the VPN server, we need to go to the network connection settings here in this menu. Once we are here, I will press the Alt key. The file option will appear. From here, we will click on the new incoming connection tab. Here we can see the multiple users for which these users can be selected, which will be connected to this computer through VPN server. Okay, I will check the option ABC, this user. You can also add the new user by creating the add someone account like this. Let's assume I want to create a new user. The username will be VPN user. The full name, let's say VPN user. Password, you can select anyone. Now plus OK. Can also go to the account properties. Here the username, you can change the username and password information. Now I click on next option. Okay, now you can see how will people connect. People will connect through the internet. Another computer can connect to this one using a virtual private network connection. Now we click on next. Here we have the Internet Protocol version 4. We will go to the properties or IPv4. Here we can we can see the option of IP address assignment. IP address can be assigned either by using the DSCP, or you can specify your own specific IP address range. Here I am using the range of 192.168.10.200.200.2 192.168.10.210. These are the ranges. Please make sure to mention the range which are excluded from the DSCP. These range of IP address are excluded from my DSP server. Now press OK, and now we need to allow access. That's it. Your VPN server is now created. Okay. Once your VPN server is created in Windows OS, next we need to open the port of the PPTP VPN connection. For this, we need to enable port forwarding, and I will show you. I will go to the settings of my router. Here is my home router. My home router settings are currently being opened, so let's wait till that moment. Okay, now it's opened. Here I have the TP-Link router. I have TP-Link DSL router, so there I will go to the option of advanced settings. Actually, we will go to the NAT settings. Okay, next click on NAT settings, and then we will go to the virtual server. Here we will open the PPTP port. I think it's already opened. It's not checking. Okay, you can see I have already opened the PPTP application port, which port is 1723. You need to open this port. The local IP address I have for my VPN server, it is 192.168.10.106. To the browser, here I will the who is. I just did the wrong website. Here I will go to the okay. This is my public IP address. We need this address in order to connect to the VPN server. Okay, I have the static IP address, so I will not have any issue uh, for connecting the VPN server. If you don't have the static IP address from your service provider and you have dynamic IP address, then you can use the dynamic DNS service in order to connect to the VPN server through your domain name. Okay, now it's done. First three steps or VPN server configurations are completed. The first step was to configure the VPN server. The second step was to open the port for the PPTP connection, and the third step was to know the public IP address of our VPN server. The next step is to connect to the VPN server. For this I am on another Windows PC. Here I will configure the VPN client settings. So we will go to the network and sharing center. Here we have the option of set up a new connection or network. I will click on that option and then I will go to the connect to a workplace. Here I will check the option use my internet connection VPN. Here I will input the IP address of my public VPN server. Here is the VPN connection name. So we can name anyone. VPN server Windows and then create. Now I will go to the change adapter settings. Here you can see the Windows server VPN server underscore Windows connection is created. Now I will go to the properties. We need to change some option. I will go to security settings. I will select the type of VPN to PPTP point-to-point tunnel protocol and the data encryption. This can be the optional, or you can say it require encryption. Let's say it will require encryption. I will check the OK option. Now it's all set. Now I will connect it to my VPN server. This is my VPN connection. I will click on connect. Here it will ask for the username and password information. The username will be that user which I had created in my VPN server. I will input the IP address information. Now it is connecting to the VPN server, but I don't have internet. Let me first connect to the internet. Today I have some issues with my internet connection. Okay, now it is connecting. I will click on connect option again. Username of VPN user will be entered and then the password. Also enter the password information. Now it verifying the sign in option and it is now completing the connection. That's it. It is now connected to the VPN server. Here you can see my connection VPN server. VPN is now connected and I also have the IP address information of 192.168.1.13. IP address is assigned to my client machine and I'm also able to use internet through this VPN server. I can also check the public IP address. It will be the IP address of my VPN server. Here you can see the public IP address is showing of my VPN server to which I am connected. That's it. This was my video of VPN server. In this video we have seen the configuration of the VPN server in Windows 10, and then we have connected the VPN server through some other Windows PC.